How to lock your keyboard in your Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. First things first, just open up your Windows and uh, you know get your keyboard ready. After you do that, just press on the right shift key for 5 seconds. So just hold that 5 seconds and just hear a beep. So after you hear the beep, this will open up. This is the filter key. Now if you need to select yes on this, and after you do that, your keyboard will be locked and you won't be able to use it. It will be disabled. So just tap on yes and try to type in. You can try to type in, so you'll just keep hearing the beeps. So you can just now enable your keyboard back by pressing on the shift key, on the right shift key, for 8 seconds. So let's do that. So just keep on holding it for 8 seconds until you hear the beep. Yeah, and now you can type again. So it's that simple, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.